ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me Babylon. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep.
Hi everyone! Welcome po sa inyong almost personal reading. I want you to know that this is a general reading. So you may resonate po sa buong reading na ito or baka konti lamang at take what's only yours. I also want you to know that this is a general reading or a timeless reading rather, no? So kung kailan niyo po ito mapanood, the message is meant to find you. Tingnan natin ang nangyayari sa paligid. Your first card is the Six of Cups, followed by the Eight of Wands. So either less communication to no communication na kayo. Pwedeng nami-miss mo lang ang dati yung conversations. Something changed in the dynamic. Kaya meron ditong parang long. Meron ditong I wanted to parang bring back yung warmth ng connection namin or ng pag-uusap namin. Kahit siguro sa LDR or hindi kami face-to-face nag-uusap, what I wanted is to feel, that my person loves me. So medyo naging malamig sa person, pwede ikaw din, naging malamig ka, whichever works. It can be on your end or it can be on your person's end. So nakikita natin dito, pwedeng this is communication lang or pwedeng meron din ditong distance, no? It can also be an LDR like what I mentioned or totally meron na kayong separation. It might not be just energetically but in physical form, no? Lumayo siya ng kaunti, lumayo ng bahagya. Hindi na ganoon katulad ng dati yung nagiging dynamic nyo ngayon kasi pag-uusap man yan or pagkikita ng personal. So with the Strength card, parang meron ditong gustong patunayan ng isang tao. What I mean by patunayan is, I think that this person, whoever this is, whether this is you or your person, trying to point fingers and trying to sabihin natin ditong parang I'm trying to make a point. This may be someone else's wanting to give lesson, doon sa kanilang person. Kasi parang more of nagkaroon yata ng banggaan dito when it comes to belief, action, the way how they handle the connection, or when it comes to the matters of the heart, which is how someone treated the other person as well. So, with the Four of Hazards, hindi naman ako nakakita ng separation, no? Nakakita lang ako dito ng parang nagbabanggaan and it seems like this is very intentional up until the other person realized na meron siyang nagawang kasalanan, no? So, parang ang nangyayari dito is I'm teaching you a lesson. So yung palabas, doon sa Netflix. Parang ganon. I'm teaching you a lesson. But it doesn't mean that I don't want you anymore. In fact, the reason why I'm doing it is para magkaroon tayo ng harmony in the end. No? At least ma-acknowledge mo na meron kang kasalanan or at least alam mo na ayoko ng ganitong pag-treatment sa akin. So that's the reason probably why I'm not speaking with you, so far. So with the King of Wands, parang dadating din naman yung point na magkakaroon tayo ng conversation. Nasa isip ko na yan. I just don't know when, pero definitely there is a plan, in a not so distant future because the other person seems lost. So, eto na. Si person A, kunyari ako si person A, ako yung jowa mo, Ang nangyayari dito, Sabihin na lang, ako yung um, gusto kitang kausapin but not today, in the future, kasi wala ako nakikitang changes, no, sa'yo. Hindi mo alam na nasaktan mo ko, hindi mo alam na ayoko yung ganung trato. So the reason why I step back is for you to acknowledge na meron kang nagawa sa akin. Whether pinagsalitaan mo ako ng masakit, what have you, I don't like it. No? Si person B, which is you, sabihin natin na clueless sa mga nangyayari. So, meron ditong miscommunication, di ba? Pwedeng ikaw nakapagbiro ka sa akin o nakapagsalita ka ng isang bagay sa akin. And then, para sa iyo, wala lang yon. Pero para sa akin, it cuts deeply. So, meron ako ditong hinanakit. Meron akong hinanakit sa iyo at hindi mo naman alam na nasaktan ako. No, yung ganon. Or it can be both ways. Pwedeng ikaw si A, pwedeng ako si B. Gets? So, going back to the reading with the Hangman. So, napapansin natin dito na parang medyo hindi ko alam kung paano ko i-direkta sa'yo ngayon. So, parang alam ko na rin na meron kang may disconnect, no? Alam ko may disconnect parang lately, ko lang nalaman din na meron tayong disconnect. Ngayon, paano ko sasabihin sa'yo nang hindi tayo magkakagulo? Paano ko sasabihin sa'yo or paano kita kakausapin in a nice way, no? Na maiintindihan mo. Kasi parang ang nangyayari dito, si person A ang nakakaintindi, no? Kasi siya yung nasaktan. Well, definitely. With the King of Hazards and the Five of Hazards. So, am I going to, parang pag hindi ko nasabi sa'yo, parang ang next move ko dito, si person A, is lumayo, become cold, much colder. So parang, kaya ko to ginagawa is for you to acknowledge. Ngayon, since you're clueless, how about mawala ako? How about hindi ako magpakita? Baka kasi itong mga subtle changes, no, baka sa'yo wala pa din. How about totally hindi ako magpakita sa'yo? Even I can call this quits para lang malaman nung isa na meron siyang nagawang hindi maganda. So, with the Eight of Swords, yeah, I think that will be the next move, no? Nitong taong nasaktan. Hindi mawawala as in ikakat ang connection. So, meron sigurong minimal, ganun yung gagawin. Siguro mas more of, with the Eight of Swords, I'm going to isolate myself. Pwede na, sabihin mo, papahabol ako, hindi ako magpapakita, hanapin mo ako. Kasi parang I lost all the tricks in my bags for me to make you understand that I was badly hurt. And that thing that parang yun ang kailangan maintindihan mo, na nasaktan ako. And then things are gonna go back to normal once nalaman mo, no, na meron ka nagawang kasalanan sa akin. Again, the other person might think, naman. Hindi natin pwedeng masabi yon kasi hindi natin alam kung paano pinaprocess naman ng isang tao yung pain, no? So, ang golden rule dito, kung sino yung nakasakit, siya yung mag-sorry, di ba? Yun lang yun eh. So, this is your reading. Let's check the zodiac sign of the person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. Siyempre, reading mo to. Lalabas din ang inyong zodiac sign if not a placement ng iyong chart, no? Bago yan, kung kayo nakaka-resonate, let me know sa comment section. Kung kayo merong katanungan, sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung name, number, QR code, amount per question. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. Now, let's check the zodiac sign of the person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I'm seeing Libra, Scorpio, Capricorn, Virgo, Pisces, Sagittarius. Yes, Scorpio na sabi natin. Leo, and Taurus. This is your reading. Maraming salamat. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.